Happy Vlogmas Day 12, everyone!
And we're making gingerbread houses.
And Keto Peppermint Mocha! So let's do that, because I want some in my face right now. Come on. Alright, so what you will need, this is a terrible, hi. So what you will need for this is you're going to need some coffee. Now, I am using peppermint Dunkin' coffee because I couldn't find peppermint extract at my local store. So please get some peppermint extract. If you can't get peppermint extract, use this. So first things first, we got to make the coffee in it. Boom. Okay, so that is brewing back there. Let's go clean off the table because like Kelly said, we are assembling our gingerbread houses. We are not decorating them. I showed you guys in yesterday's vlog that we got gingerbread houses, but we're going to assemble them first before we go to a gingerbread decorating party tomorrow. Alright friends, our peppermint coffee is all brewed. To that I'm going to add one tablespoon of sweetener of your choice. I use Pure or Pure, I do not know how to say it. And then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of Ghirardelli chocolate. And then we're going to stir that together. I would use this, but it broke. Okay, look at how creamy that looks. Can you guys see that? This lighting is terrible. I'm sorry. Look at how delicious that looks. Okay, and then to this, you can add half and half heavy cream, almond milk, whatever you want to. I use heavy cream. It's got less carbs. Boom. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Okay, before I add the rest of the zest to it, I want to make sure. Oh my god. It's like a delicious pepperminty, creamy, chocolatey wonderland of Christmas. Alright guys, to top off my peppermint mocha, I am going to add some whipped cream. You can make your own. Much easier, much less carbs and all that fun stuff, but I'm going to use, oh god, the sugar-free Cool Whip. Again, not the best ingredients on this, but, you know, we do what we can. We do what we can. Oh, look at it. And then I'm going to take a few of my Lily's Baking mint chips, just for the extra minty kick. And just sprinkle a few on the top. I mean, if it gets in there, that's not a bad thing either. All right, guys, let's give it a taste with all the deliciousness on top of it. Cheers. Yeah, that'll do. That'll work. All right, let's go get to making some gingerbread houses. Already decorated. It's cold again. Already made stuff. Oh, this, yeah. This little cookie guy.
There's eyes on these.
Yeah. What else did you get in there?
I got money. I have no idea what this is.
This is fun flavored fondant, so don't open this. You just need this tonight. Keep everything else in the box. Let me see him.
Stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes all How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
Come to find out, my gingerbread house has like stands, little anchors that you just slide. Okay, all right, okay. New game plan. Get back in here. We got this. Okay, so boom, boom. Oh my God.
Tell me again with a whisper.
Oh my God. Who came up with this? Look at that. I have to redo this one because this one looks like poop. I know what the front of the barn's going to be now. This one.
Listening to this song playing on. Listening to this song playing on.
It's like, isn't like a barn roof though. It's like a... I don't know if we have to talk about what just happened with this, but it's assembled. It's then. It looks like a house. Like the roof doesn't even look like a stinking barn roof. But it's assembled. We'll see if it makes transport tomorrow. Do you want to show them yours? Kelly? Yeah. It looks fantastic. It's just funny that it's being held up by the base. But yeah. So tune in tomorrow, guys, to see us actually decorate these things. Have you ever seen these clips before? I've literally never seen them. I would like to say that they made it easier, but you saw my finished product and I don't know. I think that would be a lie. I don't know if it got any easier at all. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.